Hello children, welcome to today's cultural and creative art class. In today's class, our topic is costume. Our topic is costume. Costume and makeup is the outlook or physical appearance that describes actors or actresses during a performance. Costume is an outfit that enables someone to be suitable for a particular activities. For example, an outfit of number 1, a pastor, number 2, Alfa or imam, number 3, herbalist, number 4, witch, number 5, half human and half fish. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.